The topic name is seating arrangement, guys. Seating arrangement. When you see the word, it is arrangement of people, arrangement of seating position. Okay. That can be in linear way. That means it can be in row type, or otherwise it can be in column type, or it can be any of the geometrical shape. It can be circle, square, triangle, rectangle, or whatever is the geometrical shape they have given in the question. It can be circular or it can be any of the shape. So basically we have categorized this seating arrangement into two types. First one is linear seating arrangement and the second one is non-linear seating arrangement. Okay. So first one is linear seating arrangement and the second one is non-linear seating arrangement. Okay. So linear seating arrangement is nothing but row type of seating arrangement. So row type or otherwise column type, like two rows are there. People sat in two rows facing each other like this. Or otherwise rows are there and people are facing each other but in opposite direction. One or the other person can be written facing in opposite direction. Okay. Linear seating arrangement is basically a row type arrangement or otherwise a column type arrangement, or otherwise it can be two parallel rows where people are facing each other, or otherwise in the two parallel rows itself, one of the person can be facing the other and the other person can be facing in the opposite direction. Okay. And the parallel rows also they can give like this, side by side. Not like facing each other. The parallel rows they can give like this as well. Okay. So this is about linear seating arrangement. The first one. Next, second one. This is very important part of this seating arrangement concept. Non-linear seating arrangement. In non-linear seating arrangement, they can give any of the geometrical figure. It can be circle, it can be rectangle, any of the geometrical figure. But linear is completely different from non-linear seating arrangement, guys. If it is a linear seating arrangement, we can easily understand in which direction the person is facing. If it is a non-linear seating arrangement, circle, the orientation is different. Rectangle, the orientation is different. Means straight away, if you pick a person, let's say I'm taking a circle and this is the pointer of a person. Tell me in which direction he is facing. He is facing towards the center. Okay. So towards the center he is facing. To mark the right hand side of this person, to mark the left hand side of this person, it is little tricky to understand, right? Yes or no? Let us see if I have taken a row type of arrangement and if I am trying to mark a right side of a person and left side of a person. Row arrangement, it is very easy to denote which is the right side of the person and which is the left side of the person. If it is circle or otherwise rectangle, triangle or any other shape is given. Most importantly, if it is a circular arrangement, then finding out right side of a person and finding out left side of a person is little tricky. Okay. Can you please tell me what is right side of this person? Right side of this person. The person is facing like this. This is his right side and this is his left side. Okay. So for this, I have a trick, guys. Whenever they are talking about right side of a person, you have to move in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Whenever they are talking about left side of a person, you have to move in clockwise direction. Left side, you have to move in clockwise direction. Right side, you have to move in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. If you have a doubt, you can check here. I will place a person here. Now, tell me what is right side of this person. Right side of this person is this, right? So if I'm talking about right side, I'm going like this. This is anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction? Anti-clockwise direction. I'm rotating in the opposite direction of the circle rotation, okay, or the general clock rotation. Next. So what is left side of this person? Left side of this person is nothing but this, okay. Means you are going in this way. Left side of the person means you are going in this way, okay. So remember this simple point. If at all you are solving any circular seating arrangement, then if you want to write or if you want to check the right side of a person, right is nothing but anti-clockwise, left is nothing but clockwise, okay. Because now it is only two people in the question. Next time it can be 5 people, 6 people, 7 people, 8 people. So at that point of time, which is right side, which is left side, you should not have a doubt. And also, you no need to remember this as like a clue or some other thing, guys. You can try to understand at immediate point. If you want to go to the right side of a person, you will go like this. But remember, if you are going against to the circular rotation, that is anti-clockwise. Okay. If you want the left side, you are moving like this. Okay. Means in a clockwise rotation, you will keep on moving like this, and you will reach the all the portions of circle. Okay. Clockwise rotation, you will move like this. That is the reason from here, if you move like this, that is clockwise. Okay. And if you are moving like this, that is anti-clockwise. Got the point, right? So the major difference between linear seating arrangement and non-linear seating arrangement is determining the direction, determining in which direction they are facing, or determining what is left side of the person and right side of the person. Those two are very important things which you have to keep it in mind. Okay. That is point number 1. Next. So we spoke about what is the shape of the seating arrangement. Basically, seating arrangement, there are many types, guys. So coming to the first category, shape of the seating arrangement, it can be linear or non-linear. Okay, done. Now, the second important point is how many people are there in the question. 8 people are there, or 9 people are there, or 7 people are there. They will give the question in 4 or 5 lines. So please don't decide that the question is difficult just by looking at the length of the question. All you need to do is overall you can take a look and you can just read the information. It will take hardly 30 seconds. I'm not telling you to understand the whole context. Just when you try in solving the question, you look at these 4 parameters. One is which type of arrangement it is, linear arrangement or non-linear arrangement. Once you are clear with that, how many people are there in the arrangement? Because based on that only you have to understand the condition and you have to make the people sit in the respective positions. 8 persons are there, 9 persons are there, 10 persons are there. You have to make sure understanding how many persons are there in the question. That is second point. And the third point is in which direction they are facing. Okay. So directions, you know it already, guys. If you take a particular point, top is always north, bottom is always south, right side is east, left side is west. So this is nothing but northeast. This is nothing but northwest, the subdirections. This is southeast and this is southwest. Okay. So it can be row type of arrangement and they can use these directions or they can use these indications. If it is a circular arrangement, generally for a circular arrangement, they can't use this northeast kind of things. Only for linear arrangement, they can use these directions saying that the person is facing north. North means you draw a line and point all of them facing north. Okay. Next. If it is a circular arrangement, they will be talking like the person is facing towards the center or the person is facing outside of the center or outside of the circle. Okay. The person can be facing towards the center or the person can be facing outside. He is in circular arrangement only. The person can be facing towards the center. That is one type of sitting arrangement. And there can be other question or other model where they are giving the direction of a person facing outside. If they want to make the question little difficult, they'll give 8 persons in the question and 4 of them are facing towards the center, 4 of them are facing outside of the center. Okay. So they can ask the question in any manner. Okay. So mostly in non-linear arrangements, it is a closed arrangement. So if non-linear arrangements are closed, like they will talk about center if it is a circle, and if it is a square type of arrangement, they can talk about corners. Corners are the portions, and this is middle of the side. Okay. Middle of any side they can consider, and they can consider corners also. So if it is a rectangle, then same as a square as well. And if it is a circle facing towards center, facing outside, you can expect. That is direction in which they are facing. Third point. And fourth point is, that is very important, guys. In which direction the man is facing is different. In which direction they are standing is different. Yes or no? In which direction the man is facing is different. In which direction they are standing is different. Okay. So let me tell you, if I am taking a circular arrangement here, I have an instruction saying that the person is standing in north. The person is standing in north. Okay. And the circle information, or otherwise the question information, is saying that all of them are facing towards the center. It is a circular arrangement. First line is, it's a circular arrangement. Second line, all of the persons in the circular arrangement are facing towards the center. And third line says that the person is standing in north. The person is standing in north. Okay. If the person is standing in north, what is north? North is nothing but this, right? Yes or no? If the person is standing in north, the person is standing here. But all of them are facing towards the center, means the person will be facing like this. Okay. If you clearly observe the pointer indication, the person is standing in north, but he is facing south. Got the point, right? Yes. The instruction they have given is, it's a circular arrangement and all of them are facing center. The person is standing north. Okay. The person is standing north means, yes, you have to make him stand in north. But in which direction he is facing? The person is facing south. Okay. So in the same way, they can ask the question like this also. Or they can give the information like this also. It is a circular arrangement and all of them are facing center. The person is facing east. The person is facing east. If the person is facing east, in which direction you have to make the person to stand? If the person is facing east, east is nothing but this. Okay. In which direction you have to make the person to stand? The person to be stood in west direction. Okay. Means if he stood in west, then he can be facing east. Okay. Got the point, right? So these four are the important points of any seating arrangement question, guys. The clue points, because when you start solving the questions, these minute details plays a major role in understanding the meaning, the sentence framing, or the way they ask the question, because the concept is like puzzle concept, like it comes under puzzles only. Seating arrangement is a concept of puzzles also. So we can expect the questions to be little tricky. Straight away you can't understand in what way they are expressing that sentence, or in what way they are conveying that sentence. Exact meaning of the sentence in one way we can't understand. In one go we can't understand. So you have to concentrate on the meaning of the sentence clearly with small detailings also. If you miss this, like the person is facing south means, if facing south means, if you kept it south, he will be facing north. Okay. Entire seating arrangement is going to be wrong, and you're going to spend a lot of time on that. You will not understand immediately if it is right or wrong. After few conditions, it is going to be understood that, okay, somewhere you did it wrong, because of that it is not coinciding with the values of the question. So then you will start again from the beginning. So please make sure that you are not doing it. I'm repeating all the 4 points and once again. Linear or non-linear. When you look at the data, I'll display the question that will be 4 to 5 lines. So I'm saying it again. Don't look at the length of the question. Please make sure that you are understanding the question and observing the key points or not. Okay. So first important point is, you have to check whether it's a linear arrangement or non-linear arrangement. Okay. That is first point. Second point is like, how many people are there in the question? 5 people, 6 people, 7 people, number of persons. Third point is like, in which direction they are facing. Are they facing towards center, or are they facing out of, or like outside of the center, or outside of the circle, or are they facing in any of the directions we have, the 8 standard directions. Okay. So third one is direction, because that will help us to understand which is left side of a person, which is right side of a person. Okay. So that is one of the most important point. And the other one is the last point. Are they facing in which direction? Are they standing in which direction? The sentence, they are facing in this direction. They are standing in this direction. Whether they are asking for facing direction or standing direction, read the sentence properly and represent. If they are facing in north, they should stand in south, then only they can face north. If they are facing east, they have to stand in west, then only they will face east. Like that, the person is facing in which direction, the person is standing in which direction. You need to understand it properly for representing the question. Okay. So these are the main important points you need to remember when solving a seating arrangement question or any puzzle question involving seating positions. Okay. Let us solve questions. Here is the first one. Please follow the structure that I have told you. Remember all the points. I'll give you certain time. Try solving the question. Okay, guys. So understood the meaning of the question, right? Whether representing it properly or not, for that I'm gonna help you now. So how much ever you have solved, you can cross check with my explanation, and if there is anything that is mismatching with the process which you have followed, and if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. So first, four main important points after looking at the question. Alekhya, Bhavana, Chandana, Dhruva, Sai, Nani, Kavi, and Nani are sitting around the table facing center. So it's a circular arrangement, non-linear arrangement, and all of them are facing towards center. I can understand these 2 points. And how many persons are there? 8 persons are there. So number of persons, 8. Which type of arrangement? Circle. In which direction they are facing? Center. And these 3 were done already. And the fourth important point, in which direction they are standing, in which direction they are facing, or in which direction they have given the positions with respect to them, left side or right side, third left or second left or fourth left, that you have to understand to solve for the question. Okay. So this is a circular arrangement. I am taking a circle and all of them are facing towards center. Okay. So all of them are facing towards center. If 8 people are there, this is the format of representing, guys. Like you need to make sure that if 8 people are there, then you draw the circular arrangement in such a way that one person is having another person to face each other. Okay, two persons are facing each other like that. It is possible when even number of people are sitting in any arrangement. Odd number of people, it is not possible. If odd number of people are there in the question, you can represent it generally without any specific pointing or positioning in a circular arrangement. If there are even number of people, try considering them that two people facing each other, so that if there is any condition upon that, we can easily correlate and we can easily answer for the question. Okay, so 8 people are there and all of them are facing towards center, and here I can see names of the 8 people. To make the question little easy, I'm gonna take the first letter of their names. Okay, if the first letter is same common, then you add 2 more letters to that to make it different. So Alekhya means I'm going to use it as A, Bhavana B, Chandana C, Dhruva D, Sai S, Nani N, Kavi K, and Ravi R. So all the first letter of the names are different. So I'm going to take the 8 people names as first letter of their names. Okay. So now coming to the question, first condition starts from here. Nani is third to the right of Chandana and second to the left of Ravi. Okay. Before representing that, try to understand the meaning of the sentence. Nani is third to the right of Chandana. So that information and second to the left of Ravi means that sentence is also about Nani. Okay. They're talking about Nani. Nani, if you look from Chandana, he is third right of Chandana. Okay. The same person, the same Nani. If you look from Ravi, he is second left to Ravi. Okay. Yes. So first we'll represent this line. Nani is third to the right of Chandana. If Nani is third to the right of Chandana, first you should understand where is Chandana, right? Yes or no? First you should know where is Chandana. If you know where is Chandana, then you can place Nani in the third right position. Understood the point? In the diagram, in the circular diagram, you should know first where is Chandana. If you know where is Chandana, then third right position you can count and you can place Nani there. Okay. So where I have to place Chandana? You can place anywhere. It is a circular arrangement, guys. So you can place anywhere whenever a person is given and you are starting any seating arrangement with respect to that person. Then you can place them anywhere. If it is a circular arrangement, all you have to check is nothing but in clockwise direction, the arrangement of people are in the same order or not. Or if you check in anti-clockwise direction, the arrangement of people are same or not. Means, let's take a circle. 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here. So these are the positions. Okay. So even if you get the arrangement like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is also right. Okay. You look at the orientation. I'm going in clockwise direction 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm going in clockwise direction 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are correct, right? The starting place of one is different. The starting place of one is different in first seating arrangement and second seating arrangement. But if you look at the position or if you look at the arrangement, basically, not the position, arrangement of people in clockwise direction, that should be the same. So if you are starting any circular arrangement question, you can start from any point you like. Okay. But you need to make sure that all the conditions are satisfying in the same manner when you look in clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction without any confusion. Okay. So I'm representing Chandana here because it's going to be easy if I represent Chandana there in the point denoting right side of Chandana and left side of Chandana. Yes or no? Right side of Chandana is this. Left side of Chandana is this. Okay. So now Nani is third to the right of Chandana. Chandana is here. This is first right. This is second right. This is third right. So where Nani is to be placed? Nani is to be placed in that position. Got it right? Clear? Next. And second to the left of Ravi. The same person, the same Nani is second to the left of Ravi. Okay. If you already understood, then fine, guys. Second to the left of Ravi means Nani, you should not change his position. You have to keep Nani in the same position, but you need to ensure that he is a second left person from Ravi. Okay. So if you have a doubt, you can cross check placing him in two positions. Ravi I am placing here and Ravi I am placing here. So look at in this position. If Ravi is here, this is Ravi's right side and this is Ravi's left side. Okay. If Ravi is here, Nani is first and second. Second right or second left? Second right. But in the question, they mentioned that Nani should be second left. Okay. Means you look at this position. Ravi is here. If Ravi is here, this is Ravi's right side and this is Ravi's left side. Yes or no? This is Ravi's left side and this is Ravi's right side. So where Ravi should be? Ravi should be in this position, not in this position. Okay, understood? With practice, you will eliminate the confusion very clearly in less time, guys. And if you have any doubt in checking where Ravi is going to be placed, then you can place in both the positions and you can cross check. If you place Ravi here, it is right side of the Ravi. And if you place Ravi here, it's like Ravi is towards the center. This is his right side, this is his left side. So second left, which is correct and all, you can cross check by placing Ravi in two positions. Okay. So two positions are fixed. Whatever the positions that you have fixed, that you should not change. Okay. The positions are going to be constant and same, that you should not change. Next. Dhruva is not an immediate neighbor of Chandana or Ravi. Dhruva is not an immediate neighbor of Chandana or Ravi. So where is Chandana? Chandana is here. Dhruva is not an immediate neighbor of Chandana or Ravi means Dhruva should not come either left hand side or right hand side. What is the meaning of not immediate neighbor? The person should not come either in left hand side or in right hand side. Okay. So here also it is the same. For Chandana, he is not a neighbor, and for Ravi also he is not a neighbor. Okay. Then what is the place left over for Dhruva? This is the place. Okay. So Dhruva is not an immediate neighbor of Chandana or Ravi means Dhruva should not be coming either right hand side of Ravi or left hand side of Ravi. Okay. Now, Sai is on immediate right of Alekhya, who is second to the right of Kavi. So first try to understand this sentence, who is second to the right of Kavi. In any of the passages or in any of the statements, if you look at the word who, whose, which, likewise, then you have to cancel the word who and you have to relate that information with the person just before the word who. I am repeating it again. In any of the question or in any of the sentences, if you have a word who, whose, which, likewise, then you can eliminate that word who and you can read that sentence considering the person who is before the word who. Okay. Here, who is before the word who? Alekhya. Okay. They wanted to say Alekhya is second right of Kavi. As they already mentioned Alekhya in the previous condition, they are not taking Alekhya name once again. You got my point, right? So they wanted to mention condition related to Alekhya, but already they have used the name of Alekhya in previous condition. So continuing the previous condition, they used the word who. Whenever you see any word who, which, likewise, in any of the seating arrangement positions or in any of the word like sentences or in any of the passages, then you can cancel that word who and you can relate that information to the person who is just before the word who. Here Alekhya is there, and understanding these two conditions, Sai is on immediate right of Alekhya. Sai is on immediate right of Alekhya means, can I say those two people are sitting side by side? Immediate neighbor, immediate right means, can I say the two people are sitting side by side? So in the diagram, which two places are vacant side by side? In the diagram, which two places are vacant side by side? These two places, right? So I can confirm Sai or Alekhya is gonna be there here in this position or here in this position. Means I can fix these two places for Sai and Alekhya. I don't know exactly in which place Sai is coming and in which place Alekhya is coming, but I can understand that if Sai is an immediate right of Alekhya, in diagram I can see only two places which are side by side. Those two places are this. So Sai or Alekhya will be occupying any of those positions. Okay. Got it? Next. Alekhya is second to the right of Kavi. As I said, you have to eliminate the word who and the sentence is like Alekhya is second to the right of Kavi. Okay. Alekhya is second to the right of Kavi. So Alekhya should come in these positions and you can fix the position of Kavi and Alekhya with this condition. Let us say kavi can come between Chandana and Dhruva, or kavi can come between Ravi and Nani. Okay. So if you place kavi here, kavi's right side is this, kavi's left side is this. Okay. So they want Alekhya to be in second right of kavi. Second right of kavi. Second right of kavi, if you place kavi here, second right of kavi is already occupied. Yes or no? That means this position for kavi is right or wrong? Wrong. So you have to place kavi here. Kavi's left side is this and kavi's right side is this. So kavi's first right and second right. So who will be coming in this position? Alekhya. If Alekhya is here, who will be coming in this position? Sai. And all the positions are occupied except this place. And who will be occupying the leftover place? The leftover place is for the leftover person, that is Bhavana. Okay, so all the positions are occupied and we have followed all the conditions and completed this arrangement. Okay, so let me revise all the conditions once again, how we have placed all of them. I'll give a quick explanation. Nani is third to the right of Chandana and second to the left of Ravi. To start the seating arrangement, first you need to understand where is Chandana. You can place Chandana anywhere, but you need to ensure the clockwise arrangement and anti-clockwise arrangement of seating positions. Okay. So first I have placed Chandana here. Then Nani is third to the right of Chandana. In third right, Nani I have kept. Keeping Nani in the same position, I ensured the position of Ravi. So Ravi, Nani and Chandana positions are fixed. If Dhruva is not an immediate neighbor of Chandana or Ravi, Dhruva's place is this. That is also fixed. Next, understanding the last sentence. Sai is an immediate right of Alekhya means I need to seek for two side-by-side places which are vacant. So those two places are between Ravi and Chandana. And whenever you have the word who, you can always cross that word and you can consider that sentence for the person who is standing just before the word who. And that is with respect to Alekhya and Kavi. We fixed the position of Alekhya, Kavi, and we tried fixing Sai and Bhavana at the end. Okay, so that's it about the seating arrangement, guys. In one go, we will take so much of time to understand the conditions and how they are giving the conditions, how to represent and all. So if you are understanding the process of explanation, next question is not going to be tough for you. Whatever the inputs that you have learned, please try to implement them in the next question, like how we have solved, which pointers we have considered, how we have approached the question. Okay. Yes. Next time you are not going to take this much of time in solving the question. You will straight away come to the point like how to understand the sentence, then you can represent them easily. Okay. So let us solve questions on this. Here is a question. Try answering them. Who sits exactly between Sai and Nani? So where is Sai? Sai is here and Nani is here. Actually, Sai and Nani, they are actually facing towards each other. So who is exactly sitting between Sai and Nani means clockwise you'll get one answer, anti-clockwise you'll get one answer, guys. So this is anti-clockwise. Moving like this is anti-clockwise and moving like this is clockwise. Yes or no? Moving like this is anti-clockwise. Moving like this is clockwise. Okay. So if you look at the anti-clockwise position between Sai and Nani, then Chandana and Dhruva you can discard because they are asking exactly between. Means if you go in anti-clockwise position from Sai to Nani, it is Bhavana. And if you go anti-clockwise clockwise position from Sai and Nani, it is Ravi. So they have not given Bhavana in the answer, they have given Ravi. So Ravi is the answer for the question. Option 2, Ravi is the answer. Okay. So specifically they'll ask in the question sometimes clockwise direction. If you go from clockwise direction, from Sai, who is exactly between Sai and Nani, or anti-clockwise direction they'll mention. Here they did not mention anything. We checked in both the ways, clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, and we have a clockwise direction answer, that is Ravi. What if both the answers are given? What if Bhavana and Ravi, both the names are given in options? Then they'll give one more option saying that both A and B are correct. Understood the point, right? So the options will be like that. If they mention specifically clockwise or anti-clockwise, then we have to check it clearly. If they did not mention anything like that, then we can mark up the question based on the information considering both the sides and options also. Okay. Let's go for the next. What is Bhavana's position with respect to Ravi? What is Bhavana's position with respect to Ravi? With respect to Ravi means you have to look from Ravi place. So where is Ravi? Ravi is here. Bhavana's place. Answer? Both 1 and 2. Super. So if you look from Ravi, right side, the position is 4th. Left side, the position is 4th. Means if you look at first option, 4th right. First option is correct. And second option, 4th left. Second option is also correct. So third option is both 1 and 2. As I mentioned in the previous question, for the question you have 2 answers. Clockwise direction answer, anti-clockwise direction answer. So if you move from clockwise left side 4th, anti-clockwise right side 4th. So both are correct. So you need to go for option 3, both 1 and 2. Option 3, both 1 and 2. Okay. Next one. Who is second left of Chandana? Answer? Alekhya. So Chandana is here. First, this is right side and this is left side. First left, second left. Second left is nothing but Alekhya. Okay. Yes. Next one. This is little tricky but not difficult. Understand the meaning of the question clearly. First, try to understand the meaning of the question. Please try to understand meaning of the question. Maximum 80% of the students will understand the question in a reverse manner. Who is right side? Who is left side? You should not look at what is exactly presented in the diagram. You should look at in the point of view how they are asking in the question and cross check that with the diagram. Right side is fine. Who is right side? Who is in the right side? Whose right side they are asking? That is important. Sai and Chandana, they are side by side, I understand. But Bhavana and Chandana are also side by side, right? So, who is right side and whose right side? Which of the following pair of persons has first person sitting to the right of second person? Generally, this is the arrangement, guys. Okay. So, this is a circular arrangement that we have. First person sitting to the right of second person. Okay. First person sitting to the right of second person means second person should be here. First person should be here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then only we can say first person is sitting right of second person. Am I right, guys? Yes. First person is sitting right of second person. Okay. Usually you will check like this. If this is the case, first person is here, right side of first person, nobody is there. This is left side of first person. Okay. So as you are checking in a circular arrangement, you need to check according to the question condition. first person sitting to the right of second person. Right of second person. Okay. So where is second person? Second person is here. Second person's right side is this. Second person's right side is this. Means you have to check second person position and right side of second person position. Okay. Coming to the question here, Alekhya and Chandana. Who is second person here? Chandana. So go to the diagram. Chandana. Chandana is second person. Who is right side of Chandana? Bhavana. But here Alekhya is given. So can I say first option is wrong? Yes. You got the point, right? First option is wrong. Next. First person is Bhavana. Second person is Chandana. Who is second person in second option? Who is second person second option? Chandana. Chandana. So Chandana is second person. Then right side. Right side who is there? Bhavana. Bhavana is first person here. Can I say that first person is sitting right of second person in second option? Yes. Yes. Means with respect to Chandana, who is on right side? Bhavana. Directly you can eliminate remaining options. As you got the correct answer, you no need to verify and prove that remaining are wrong. You need to be little confident in marking the correct answer when you got it. That's how you can save time here in seating arrangement or puzzle type of questions, guys. We can't go and prove all the options are wrong. But here you can check. Second person is Chandana. Chandana's right side. Chandana's right side, not Sai's right side. Second person. Second person is Chandana. Right side of second person who is there? Bhavana. That means Sai Chandana option is wrong. Sai and Nani. That is obviously wrong because they are facing each other. So what is the correct answer? Bhavana and Chandana. Okay. So with respect to linear, it is different, guys. With respect to linear, first and second person means we will write like that. Okay. If you write like this, then you need to consider second person's right side. Okay. Second person's right side, first person should be there. So if you consider a circle, second person, you fix the second person, right side of second person, you place the first person. Whatever it might be the position, right side of second person, first person is there. In this first diagram, the upper diagram, right side of second person, first person is there. So whatever is the circular way, right side of second person, first person should be there. So don't compare the condition in a linear manner or row wise. Row wise, we'll write like this basically. First person, second person. Okay. So that is not the condition. They asked in reverse way. Got it right? Last question on this data. Who is immediate right of Dhruva? Dhruva's immediate right answer is Nani. So the four main important points, which type of arrangement, how many persons are there or how many categorizations are there, in which direction they are facing, and what is the orientation direction, whether they are standing in which direction, facing in which direction, that you need to understand. Okay. 6 chemicals A, B, C, D, E, and F are kept in different bottles of different colors: green, red, blue, white, pink, violet, not necessarily in the same order, and are arranged from left to right, not necessarily in the same order. Okay. So they are talking about chemicals. Chemicals are A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 chemicals, and they color bottles. They were kept in color bottles, and the color of the bottle is green, blue, red, white, pink, and violet. Okay. Not necessarily in the same order means they are not meant to be in the same order. Means it's not the same order of A, B, C, D, E, F they have given, or whatever the colors they have given. It is not exactly in the same order. It can be in the same order, but they were saying you can't consider them as they have given in the question in an order one by one. You can't consider them exactly in the same order. Okay. It can be randomly arranged according to the conditions of the question further. Okay. So you understood, right? This is a linear arrangement. This is not a circular arrangement. They arranged from left to right in an order. And for a position, you need to understand here one thing. We are not concentrating only on A, B, C, D, E, F, means the chemicals, or we are not concentrating only the color bottles. We are concentrating on both. Means we are concentrating on position. 6 positions are there. each position is having a color bottle and chemical. Okay. So while giving the condition saying that left side, right side and all, they can relate color bottle and chemical, or otherwise they can relate chemical to chemical, or they can relate color bottles to color bottles. Okay. If they are relating a color bottle of one chemical and any color bottles chemical, then you have to make sure that the condition to be represented clearly. Understood, right? If they're talking about chemical of one position and if they're talking about color bottle of other position, they are two different categories. Color bottles to color bottles, left side, right side, we can place it easily. If they're talking about chemical to chemical, left side, right side, that is one category. We can place it easily. If they're talking about chemical of one position and they're saying that left side or right side by indicating color bottle of other position, there are two different categories. Okay. While representing that, you need to be little more careful. Okay. So let's look at the conditions. If the conditions are direct, then you can represent them directly in the question, guys. Otherwise, you can keep them aside. Once you are clear with the positioning of that place, then you can start representing them. Okay. Chemical B is kept in white bottle. Chemical B is kept in white bottle. B is white. So what you need to understand here from this condition is, you should not give a chemical B to any color bottle. You should not give a white color bottle to any of the chemical. Okay. B is white means white should not be given to any other chemical and B should not be given to any other color bottle. Okay. They are a pair. Done. We don't know in which position they were. Okay. Next. A is not kept in green bottle and is kept to immediate left of violet bottle. A is not kept in green bottle means for A and green bottle there is no relation. Okay. A is not kept in green bottle. For A and green bottle there is no relation. A is not kept in green bottle and is kept to immediate left of violet bottle and is kept to immediate light of immediate left of violet bottle means they are talking about chemical A only, right? Yes, chemical A where they kept left of violet bottle. Okay, so this is what we need to concentrate little more. Violet color bottle, but we don't know what is the chemical, and left of violet. So if violet is here, right side of violet is this, left side of violet is this. Okay, so A should be left of violet. Okay, try to understand this clearly, guys. Violet color bottle is having a chemical. We don't know what was the chemical. They clearly mentioned left of violet bottle. Violet bottle I kept here. This is right side of violet bottle. This is left side of violet bottle. I don't know which color bottle will come here, but A should be the left side of a violet bottle, and that too immediate left. Got the point, right? Yes, this combination is little tricky, guys. They gave chemical of one position and they gave color bottle of one position and they are linking saying that immediate left. Okay, you are taking white color bottle and left side of white color bottle, immediate left of white color bottle, you need to keep the chemical A. You don't know which color bottle will come here, but you will understand that they are in this relation saying that A is kept left side of violet color bottle. Understood the clue? Let's go for the next point. C is kept in blue bottle and is between bottles containing chemical A and B. C is kept in blue bottle. So this is direct condition. C is kept in blue bottle. And one more thing, and the bottle C is kept between the chemicals A and B. Means if C is kept between A and B, it can be ACB or it can be BCA, right? Yes or no? If C is kept between A and B, so C is in between A and B, so you can write that as ACB or otherwise you can write that as BCA. Okay. C is kept between A and B means it is not only ACB, it can be written as BCA also. In these two variations, which one is correct and all, that will come to know in the next points. Okay. One will be eliminated and the other will be considering it to represent the question. Okay. Next. The red bottle is kept at extreme left hand. So this is the condition where we can place that in the direct question. So red bottle is kept at extreme left hand. I am taking positions, guys. 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Yeah. So colors I am taking on the top, and color bottles, like the bottle colors of chemicals, I will take in the bottom. So red is kept at extreme left. Extreme left is this, right? So red color is here. Red color is kept at extreme left. Next. The bottle containing chemical E is not kept at any ends. The bottle containing chemical E is not kept at any ends. Chemical E you should not keep in any of the ends. Okay. Next. The green bottle is kept at extreme right hand. What is extreme right hand? This is extreme right hand, and you have to place the green bottle here. The green bottle is kept at extreme right hand. Okay. Next. Chemical D is not kept near to white bottle. So this is also one of the question. Chemical D is not kept near to white color bottle. Okay. So all the conditions we have represented them separately, guys. Now we have to club them and understand how to link up the chemical and the color bottle. Okay. Most importantly, you need to figure out ACB is the correct representation or BCA is the correct representation. Okay. So to represent that, we have the clues already. We know color of C is blue, color bottle blue, and B is white. So B is white and C is blue. Now we have one condition with A and violet color, guys. Okay. What is the condition? Violet color left side should be A. Okay. So if you look at ACB, violet's color left side is not A. Blue color left side is A. Yes or no? Yes or no? So ACB combination is wrong. You can say that BCA combination is right. And violet's color left side means here color violet will come, the bottle, and whatever is the chemical that is taken, that chemical we can write. Violet left side is chemical A. So this is which color bottle and all that we will understand based on the remaining leftover color bottles. Okay. So combination BCA is correct. Combination ACB we have eliminated. Why? Because we can't find violet color left side as A. We can see here blue color left side chemical is A. So that's the reason ACB is eliminated. So ACB is eliminated. BCA and violet is the correct combination. BCA and violet is the proper combination. Now I am trying to take this combination and place it in the seating arrangement or place it in that proper linear arrangement. So can I start that from extreme left? Extreme left, I can't start. Why? Because already red color is there. Here B's color is nothing but white. So I can't start from extreme left. Okay. So try taking one step back and try to place from second position of left side. So I can place B here, C here, A here, violet color here. So no condition is being violated, right? So this is possible. So you can check this. If you want to start from here, that is not possible, guys. B, C, A and violet, already green is there. Which is the perfect representation? You can directly take this B, C, A, violet and place it in the remaining 4 places. Okay. So here B, C, A and here violet color will come. So B is nothing but white in color. C is blue in color. And leftover colors and leftover things you can write out, guys. Which is leftover color? Pink. Yeah. So remaining conditions are E should not be kept at any ends. You should not keep at ending position means where you have to keep E. You should not keep E in the ending positions. You have to keep E in violet place. Okay. Next. D should not be kept near to white color. So where you have to keep white color, you have this position and this position as vacant. D should not be kept near to white color. Where you have to keep D, you have to keep D in green. So which is the leftover color bottle? Leftover color bottle is F. Okay. So let us solve questions on this data. Which bottle contains chemical A? Chemical A is containing, which bottle contains chemical A? Pink bottle is containing chemical A. Okay. Which of the bottle contains chemical E? Chemical E, it is violet. Which bottle contains chemical B? Chemical B, white. Next. Which bottle is kept at right end? Which bottle is kept at right end? So right end means this green color bottle and chemical is D. So they have not given color bottles, they have given chemicals. Answer is D. Next. Which bottle is immediate left of chemical B? Immediate left of chemical B. So left side it is red color bottle and F. So they have given color bottles. So red.